Preheat your oven to 450 degrees and get 3 big washed russet potatoes. Cut them in half, then cut each half into wedges that are half an inch thick. Afterwards, place the wedges in a bowl of cold ice water for 30 minutes. Then drain the water and pat the wedges dry. Add them to a large dry bowl. Add your seasoning. I used 1 teaspoon of fine sea salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a pinch of cayenne pepper. Combine the seasoning with the wedges. Add 1/3 cup of extra virgin olive oil and combine. Immediately place on a rimmed baking sheet lined with foil cut side down in a single layer. First, bake at 450 degrees for 20 minutes. Then carefully flip the wedges. Bake for another 12 to 15 minutes or until the outside is crispy and inside is tender. I'm happy with mine. Please consider giving the video a like and thank you for watching.